Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, at the moment it's just doing what we want to see with this escalation to the upside. So maybe the third wave is really ongoing. Next target, I did highlight that yesterday for this move is around $2,020. Seems within reach now. Just want to take the opportunity before we go into the deeper or the smaller time frame. I need to bring that up now, right? I need to bring that up because I don't want anybody to be surprised. I just want to highlight the different scenarios on the, let's say, the 4-hour time frame. I want to just show you the movement since the 10th of March. Yeah, at the moment, and that's my primary expectation at the moment. It's a very bullish setup. Here we do the direct breakout. Yeah, we've been talking about that. It's doing that, and it's now above the March highs and above the April highs. But the primary count is this one: 1, 2, 1, 2, and another 1, 2 setup, and we're now breaking out in a third wave. So obviously this larger third wave has already started on the 10th of March. That's the perspective, okay? But within that, the subdivisions are very bullish. That's at the moment the primary view. So we did climb up the stairs. So we had several trend reversal areas here. Remember that could have been used for trading. I think a lot of you did, and everybody should be in profit. So the direct escalation count seems to be playing out for now. However, it doesn't mean it needs to continue to play out, right? These setups, at some point, they will fail. It is like with every structure that you follow, at some point, it will fail. And then we just move easily into a different scenario. So the other possibility that we discussed in yesterday's video is that this is actually some kind of a diagonal pattern which is unfolding. So that, yeah, we rallied in a wave 1, this was a wave 2, here a wave 3, here a wave 4, and this could be a wave 5. So I'm going to label that for you now. Wave 1. I'll change the color in a minute, just to make it obvious here. Let's do pink, and let's make it large. Just wanna show it to you. So this is another way of labeling it. That all of this is just a 5-wave move in the making. And that is actually not unlikely, not unrealistic, because we start to see bearish divergences on the chart. We start to see it having difficulties to push through. If it's happening now, all good, yeah, then I will take that, I will scrap that idea. But it's just something we need to be aware of, because it's a possibility how, after that 5th wave is in, we could see a breakdown. Nothing bearish, but it would be a pullback, because these 5 waves would form a larger wave 1. So I take that off again. Just want to show you. We put it on the chart yesterday, this sort of ascending wedge shape. Let's see if it's still adhering to it. So it might just be breaking out, but the thing is, with these wedges, these ascending wedges, these ending diagonals, it's just at resistance. So what you sometimes get at the end of such a diagonal is an, it's a throw over. So it goes briefly above it and then comes down. Be aware of that. It's just trying to do that. So this can still fail from here, right? But in this scenario of an ascending wedge, where all of this is a wave 1, we can't go much higher. So it should really imminently come down then. Yeah, so be aware of that. Just be aware. And I would continue to use the $1,800 level. Yeah, there might be a chance we go into the micro level now, and then we can lift the micro support up a little bit. But for me, the break out of the range and then taking out 1,800 would probably mean that, yeah, this was all a wave 1, and we're coming down in a wave 2. So in this scenario, I might then change here this the support area a bit. And then this one will become relevant between 1,500 and 1,682. Just saying, if this is the case, this would be a wave 1. I would have to lift it to here, yeah, and we come down in a wave 2 and would then use this support area. But until we have that as confirmed scenario, I'm not going to entertain too much. Just want to share the ideas with you. But I leave the wedge pattern on the chart, the trend lines, because I think they are very, very useful. Another possibility is that, yeah, hey, wave 1 finished here. That was on the 19th of March, and we came down in an A wave. This is an overshooting B wave, and we come down and see afterwards. Similar structure. It doesn't really make a great difference to the leading diagonal pattern. But at the moment, as long as we're adhering to the direct breakout count, bear in mind those two, Those two other scenarios, they are not bearish. They are just allowing for a deeper pullback in an overall bullish scenario. But at the moment, price action suggests that we're actually rallying higher in the heart of a third wave, which means that we're actually doing the direct breakout count as suggested. I'm going to take the resistance out now because it was clearly broken. And then we can say, okay, probably here a wave 1 to the upside of some sort. See, this looks much more like 3 waves up. So a small 1-2 setup here, the third, a 4th wave triangle, and the 5th. It would be a massive 5th wave though. Seems unlikely. So I'd rather go with, okay, we had a wave 1 here. This is a wave 2, and we're now in a 3rd wave of a 3rd wave. Again, target is still sort of the $2,020 area. I first want to see now, can we break above this ascending trend line? And if we can do that, then obviously it will cascade higher. 2020 is really only the first target here for that 3rd wave, but then it will cascade higher. Yeah, that's sort of what I can tell you at the moment about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.